Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Shippo with your Wix store for 2025 and beyond. If you're running an online shop on Wix, Shippo is an incredible tool for streamlining your shipping processes, creating professional shipping labels, and managing shipments easily, all right from your Wix dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect Shippo to your store, set up sender and recipient info, create shipping labels, and keep track of your manifests. Whether you're shipping one package or dozens each week, this is going to save you tons of time and keep your customers happy. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix app market. Think of this as the control center for adding new features to your site. In the search bar, simply type Shippo. Once it pops up, click Add to Site. This is a quick process, but sometimes the app market can lag for just a moment. So, if you don't see it immediately, give it a second. Once you've clicked to add Shippo, you'll see a pop-up window asking for your details. Here, you'll need to enter your name, last name, email, and create a password. This information helps Shippo set up your account securely and personally, almost like introducing yourself when you join a new club. Once those fields are filled, hit Get Started, and you'll see an option to select the Starter Plan, which is perfect if you're new to Shippo or just want to explore its core features. Moving on, the Shippo dashboard is where the real magic happens. This is where you'll create your shipping label. Every shipment starts with the sender's address, basically your business's return address, or wherever you'll ship the product from. Fill out the sender details carefully: name, company, email, phone number, and the full address including street, city, state, and postal code. For example, if you're John Doe running demo test training from New York, enter all those details just as they appear on your business documents. Don't rush here. Accurate info means your labels print correctly and packages arrive where they're supposed to. Next up is the recipient info. This is where you add or save the address of your customer. Enter their name, company if applicable, email, phone, and their delivery address. There's also an option to mark if it's a residential address. This actually matters, as some carriers charge differently for residential deliveries compared to businesses. If you ship to the same customers often, you can save addresses for quicker access next time. Now, let's talk about creating a manifest. Think of a manifest like a packing list. It's an official record for your carrier of what you're shipping that day. To create a new manifest, select your carrier account, say Shippo USPS account, if you're shipping with USPS. Choose your submission date, usually today's date, and double-check your sender address, as if you haven't printed any labels yet, you'll notice no labels available for the manifest. So remember to create at least one label before submitting your manifest. The great thing about Shippo is that it will save your manifest for up to 5 days, making it easy to stay organized and track past shipments. And that's pretty much it. With Shippo now integrated into your Wix site, you're all set to handle your product shipments like a pro. Just follow these steps each time you have an order, and you'll keep your shipping smooth and straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Let me know your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step guides. Happy shipping, and I'll see you in the next video.